Hello everyone, welcome to Archa's Kids. In the previous lessons, we learned four-letter words starting with two consonant blends, that is pl and sl. Today we are going to learn R blends. Let us see how R blends form. B and R makes br. K and R makes gr. D and R makes dr. F and R makes fr. G and R makes gr. P and R makes pr. Now we will see four-letter words starting with br and gr. First we will see words starting with br. Br, ag, brag. Br, at, brat. Br, im, brim. Br, an, bran. Br, ig, brig. Br, y, bray. Br, o, brow. Good job. Now we will see words starting with cr.
Cr, I, b, crab. Cr, o, p, crop. Cr, a, b, crab. Cr, o, crow. Good job. Practice all the four-letter words starting with br and gr daily until you know them well. In the next lesson, we will see four-letter words starting with dr and fr. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.